You know that feeling when you walk into a room and nobody even notices you exist, when you're speaking but it feels like your voice just dissolves into thin air, when you desperately want people to be naturally drawn to you but the reality is you've become invisible, and the scariest part is if you don't change something right now you'll spend the rest of your life being that forgettable person nobody remembers. But what if I told you that being an introvert isn't your biggest weakness but actually your most deadly strength if you know how to weaponize it correctly? Because the next few minutes could literally rewrite your entire personality blueprint. Look, the first thing you need to understand is that being mysterious and being boring are two completely different things. Boring people are predictable. Their every reaction is expected. They're always available. They post their entire lives on social media. They're desperately hunting for validation. But mysterious people are selective about what they share. Their silence makes a statement. They have depth that doesn't show on the surface. And this is the exact psychology that creates magnetic attraction, because the human brain finds things more attractive when it can't completely figure them out. It's the same reason why someone's naturally drawn to an unsolved puzzle rather than an open book. So if you're an introvert, you already have this power. You just don't know how to weaponize it yet. Now let's talk practical moves, because the first game changer is practicing selective visibility, which doesn't mean hiding from everyone, but means that when you do appear, you make an impact. If you're always laughing with everyone, reacting to every joke, jumping into every conversation, your value gets diluted. But when you observe, drop one insightful comment at the right moment, people think this person is different. This person isn't surface level. Psychologically, this is called the scarcity principle, which makes diamonds more valuable than rocks. The second power move is showing strategic depth, meaning you need to go so deep into one skill or knowledge area that when you speak, people are genuinely impressed, whether it's books, music, philosophy, fitness, whatever, but not surface level, because when someone talks to you and realizes you have layers they never expected, that creates intrigue, and intrigue is the first step to attraction. The third thing that completely changes the game is mastering comfortable silence. See, everyone thinks you need to constantly talk in conversations, that you need to fill awkward silences. But real confidence shows when you're comfortable in silence, when you don't use filler words, when your body language says, "I'm here, I'm secure, I don't need your validation." And this exact vibe creates that mysterious attraction. Psychologically, this is called non-neediness, which is the most powerful attractive trait. Now, hearing this, some of you might think, okay, this sounds good, but how do I actually implement it? So if you're sitting there wondering whether this video is actually for you or not, stop right there, because what I'm about to tell you is exactly the turning point that bridges boring to magnetic. The fourth strategy is weaponizing eye contact and active listening. When someone's talking to you, give them complete presence. Put your phone aside. Genuinely listen. Maintain eye contact, but don't stare. And when you respond, be thoughtful. This makes the other person feel like you're different, because nowadays nobody genuinely listens. Everyone's just waiting for their turn to talk. So when you show genuine interest without being desperate, you create magnetic energy. The fifth powerful technique is embracing unpredictability. If you always behave the same way, you become predictable. Sometimes be slightly humorous, sometimes serious, sometimes suggest an adventurous idea nobody expected, because the brain releases dopamine when something unexpected yet interesting happens, and this biological response makes you attractive. The sixth mindset shift that needs to happen is killing approval, seeking behavior, when you're constantly looking for validation, when you're always trying to please. When you change your opinions just to fit in, you become invisible. But when you have your own opinions, boundaries, self-respect that's non-negotiable, people notice, respect, and are naturally attracted. Psychologically, this is called frame control, where you're strong in your own reality instead of weak trying to adjust to others' reality. The seventh and most underrated strategy is avoiding oversharing to maintain mystery. Don't write your entire diary on social media. Don't publicly display every emotion. Don't immediately announce every achievement. Leave some space for imagination, because people who stay curious about you will naturally gravitate toward you. And when they do, you'll actually have content to give instead of everything being exhausted on day one. Now, as we get to the ending, let me make one thing crystal clear. All these techniques only work when your foundation is strong, meaning you're working on yourself, you're physically fit, you're mentally growing, you're adding some value to the world, because mystery without substance is just an empty box that disappoints once opened, but mystery with depth is an ocean people want to drown in. So decide today that you're not going to be a boring introvert, but a mysteriously attractive person, a little better every day, a little deeper, a little more intentional. And when people ask what's different about you, you won't need to answer, because your presence will be the answer. The decision is yours. Either stay stuck in this comfort zone wondering why people don't notice you, or start this journey today where you become deliberately mysterious, intentionally deep, and magnetically attractive. The clock is ticking. Life won't wait. If you're going to take action, take it now, because tomorrow that same boring version will pull you back to where you're trying to escape from. Choose wisely. Become unforgettable.